I'm gonna be playing Team Fortress 2 as...
The Pirate Ride!
We're on ×2 speed?
I checked, it's not.
I mean, I am.
We're the rats. We pray at night, we stalk at night. We're the rats. I'm the giant rat that makes all of the rules. Let's see what control we get ourselves into. Rats, rats, we are rats. Celebrate another one of birthday bash. Michael, it's your birthday. Get ice cream, it's on its way. Michael, it's such a good boy this year. Open up your gifts.
Oh, yes!
It's gonna be great on TikTok. That was amazing.
I don't believe
That's
it.
part one.
What is that? It's a show. What is this? I swear to God, this is my shoulder. This is my shoulder. It's just weirdly cropped. It's just really weirdly cropped. What even? Okay, it's because it's somewhere. Where's my face? That's my outfit. There I am. There I am. Okay, I found it. I got it. I got it. There I am. Why? What's going on in this picture? Why is it like this? What the fuck? I'm so confused right now. There you go. I told you it was real. It's like, oh, Perry the Platypus, I'm going to take over the entire world, Perry. No, it's me, Doofenshmirtz. But that was actually really, really good, and I would say that was probably the best one you've heard anybody do. I'm not sure that you could probably find somebody on Twitch right now that could do that better than what I just did. I have to give myself a little bit of credit. Well,
But he's huge! He's huge! He's a huge guy! He's a huge fire! Steve, keep away from— oh, fuck! Yeah! 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 Oh, shit! No! No, 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 no! There's so much water over here. What am I doing? What oh my. Dude, look over there, don't look. Look over there. Don't look over here. Don't look over here. In fact, get out of the room.
That's gonna cost you extra.
No, get. No, don't. Don't.
do an okay, acting challenge. R2D2 dying. Easy. I think that deserves at least 10 million shaved off the national debt. Don't you think? I'm like doing a K-pop song. Dance. What does it say?
date from the speedrun forums of Super Monkey Ball. Today
Oh.
I'm going to be showing you guys some beginner strats for floor 18.
Please.
So the main thing I see a lot of people make their like first major mistake is they don't pick the right monkey. You need to pick the stinky monkey.
Uh-oh. Stink.
You fucking dick. Okay, where's this picture? What's wrong with this one? Wasn't on fucking purpose, I swear to God. I swear to God. I swear to God. What?
How do I go up there? What?
What are you doing?
No, I'll go to bed in like an hour.
It's 2 a.m.
Yeah.
Honey,
Okay.
get,
I'll be up in like 20 minutes.
come upstairs and... Okay. Soon.
Fucking piece of shit.
Oh shit! The worst noise of 2019. Real life fall joke. I did that on purpose. Don't let anybody fucking tell you I didn't.
I don't care. Do it. Come on. Come on, do it. You want to make that joke so bad. You actually did it. I actually can't fucking believe you did that. That's I mean, did it hurt?
And I think one of your children has just walked in. I mean, shifting sands in the region. Do you think relations with the North may change?
I would be surprised if they do. Pardon me. Pardon me. My apologies.
I'm gonna die.
It was relaxing. It was very relaxing. No! No, wait, what? How do I get in? How do I get back inside?
The jerma parry is this one.
I don't want to. I don't want to fight you, man. I don't want to.
You guys want to see a magic trick?
I'm alive! Wait, I'm alive! I'm alive, I'm alive! I'm alive! I'm alive! No, don't eat that! Drink! He's confused! He's confused! So am I. He's like, I don't know what you want me to do, dude! Wait, hold on. Hey, wait, hey! Hey! Hey, lights and camera and action!
Bluestone. Alright. Where the fuck am I going?
Let's see what kind of a shot you are, Pilgrim. Take a crack at this bottle. You missed that one. Try another.
No, he doesn't.
You missed that one. Try another. You missed that one. Try another. You missed that one. Try another. You missed that one. Try another.
I can't even fucking do this.
You missed that one. Try another.
I can't do it. I can't. I don't have any fun.
You missed that one. Try another.
I can't.
Nice shoot. Try another.
No, what? I have to do it again. I have to do it.
You missed that one. Try another.
I can't.
You missed that one.
Yeah, I gotta take
Try
it.
another.
I gotta take a minute. Why does he keep?
You missed that one. Try another.
Oh, you wanna fight? You wanna fucking fight me? Don't fuck come at me. Don't. Oh.